Hey everyone! Today we are checking out these incredibly versatile clear plastic storage bins for your home. These heavy-duty organizers are made from thick BPA-free plastic that resists cracking and chipping. Use them in your kitchen, pantry, or even the freezer to keep everything perfectly organized and visible. They work wonders in closets, laundry rooms, and garages for storing toys or household supplies. The stackable design saves valuable space, while the smooth surface makes hand washing a breeze. Each large container measures over 11 inches long to easily handle your heavy daily storage needs. Transform your living space now with these durable and crystal clear storage solutions for every single room. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.